Hidden costs of poor grounding in industrial plants. Electrical leaks. If grounding isn't done properly, stray electricity can take the wrong path and leak out. This wastes energy and can raise electricity bills. Equipment malfunction. Poor grounding can make voltage go up and down or cause electrical disturbances. This makes machines work harder than they should, wearing them out faster and using more electricity. Increased resistance losses. Faulty grounding can raise the resistance in electrical circuits. More resistance means more energy is lost as heat reduces overall system efficiency and increases operational costs. Compromised safety devices. Safety systems like circuit breakers or GFCIs may not function correctly without proper grounding. When safety devices don't work properly, machines may pull in more power to keep running, which increases your energy or electricity costs. Voltage imbalance in three-phase systems. Poor grounding can cause voltage imbalances in industrial three-phase systems, making motors and other equipment run inefficiently and raising power consumption and utility expenses. Risk of damage. Poor grounding increases the chance of power surges and damage to equipment. This can lead to more breakdowns, repairs, or even replacements of machines, costing the plant a lot of money over time. To know more, visit our website, www.manavenergy.com. Follow us.